your 100 will be divided by 20. So it requires a coin to move by 5% to liquidate you only. If we replay by 25, it requires a coin to move by 4% to liquidate you in the opposite direction. Are we getting the point? If you leverage 10, it takes a coin to move by 10% to liquidate you. Just a 10% move will liquidate you. If you leverage 25, if you leverage 25, only a 4% will liquidate you. Only a 4%. Now, imagine if you can set a spot, if you can set a coin in spot, and that coin floats by 30%. Nga floating losugo. Wano ba wawedde ku futures. Wa mukitegeera bulungi. Futures is a it is a nonsense. It is a nonsense. It is a nonsense. Tebimanye ebyo. Your futures, it will liquidate you. It will account ejja gikaza. Account ejja gimalawo futures. And according to the market direction right now, don't trade futures. Muziveeko, muzireke. The market is on an upward trend. So anayine yambo. Chechu trading is a futures. Ozagaza. Analysis wakyali puwa ngo wange. Ojagaza ki futures. Jangu wano muki. Kira mu one hour. Ojiraba. It is retracing. Ekomawo. Girinde ekomewo. Find the entry. Don't trade futures, banana. Unless you can leverage 3x. We're leveraging by 3x. It will require this coin to move 100 divided by 3, which is a 33.3. Here you are. For a coin to move by 33. This here, at least you are safe, not so. So this is a leverage of 3x. Ye leverage jenkozesa if I'm to hold a coin. For example, which coin was it? I had a coin immutable X. I had immutable X. I had immutable X. It is going down. It's going down. It is okay. But immutable X is stalking for quite some good time. When you look at it, Ojiraba, stalking. So Navana yo wansi. Immutable X Navana yo wansi one. Navana yo one. Ya trading ako nengenda mu floating loss nenkwatamu then wano nenzijamu bwe yamala okunzijamu wano nemala netukkirira netandika okuranging within this parallel channel bino benanja bibayigiriza if you give time. So after retracing kabi olabanga coin retracing for a long time, the longer the ranging within this time, we're breaking one egenda BS asuza bino the upward move. Mitegera. Kati eno coin bwomala okola analysis wo funayo coin zo 3. Funa coin 3. I personally nyina Solana yemu kuzo. Solana, then nyina immutable X, MIX, nyina XRP. Lindako. XRP tugitundu oba tugireke. XRP twatta omukago. Naye teyagala gitundu. Twatta omukago ne XRP. Kale, twatta omukago mugireke eyo. XRP aginjira ku 2.5 nengenda mu floating loss 2.5 negenda mu floating kati eri ku 3.6 around there. 3.6, 3.4 around there. Have an expectation so hitting $5 over. Whenever hitting the shares, ebere magirenge vera. Kakati tunula wan. Bo stalking a coin yo. Kati stalking otya coin muchusiza no topic of study you right on. Kati immutable X, this is immutable X. Before I go into immutable X, I will come to coin market cap. Nga sina kujja njagenda kuwano coin market cap. Sorry, coin market cap. Kati chichi. Coin market cap. This coin market cap ngenda jigulawo and I will come. Now, before even I come to coin market cap, let me go to Binance. Kangereko ku Binance one. Let me go to Binance. Futures is having that. It is okay. Let me go to Binance and I look for, let me look for IMX, immutable X, IMX, immutable X. This is the coin, immutable X. This is the coin, immutable X. Immutable X was ya ku Binance. Was ya ku Binance, sorry. Was ya ku Binance? Is this a teaching account? Yeah, yo. Kwetusomera one Binance. Kati, tunula one. This is immutable X. Was ya ku immutable X kwata mu information one. Kwata mu information, info. This info. Kwata wano ku info. Omalo kwata ku info, egenda kuleta wano. Kino nchikola nga ngenda ku stalkinga coin. Ngenda kugistalkinga tugeze immutable X, ngenda okustalkinga coin, okufollowinga coin yo kuva gyeva paka gyesembera. Bwe yambuka oyambuka nayo bwe kira nayo. Ogimanye its moves, but before you know its moves ogenda kutsoko gye wano kuki ate nno ngenda kuyita mu speed. I don't know whether this meeting is live on the YouTube channel. Kati bwe tujja no ku immutable X ngenda kwata no ku information. Underlying
Madam,
data is total. Hello?
Very live.
Very live, eh? Let me try to go live first.
Madam Query.
Query, eh? Okay.
Yeah,
it's okay. Immutable X njijiwa. Tugeze njisanze ku Binance. Nenga immutable X ndayitazo gitrading. Before nga sana gitambulirako kugirinnya kagere. Wagyeva nayo wagyekuma. Ngenda kusooka nzija wano ku info. Ku immutable X. Kweyo coin nyingi njagala trading. Each coin you want to trade has all this information. Number one, it has its rank. It is ranked number 83 on the coin market cap. Coin market cap means the amount of money invested in that coin as per now. The coin market cap. You know, so it is number 3. And its coin market cap is 1.18 billion. Mr. Mato, you can mute everyone. Help me unmute everyone. Yes. Mute everyone. It is ranked number 83. It has a coin market cap of 1.18 billion. 1.18 billion, it is the medium cap. Fully diluted market cap, 1.25. Okay? And zino terms also kwata onozisoma. Rank, the rank is based on the coin's relative market cap. It is calculated by multiplying the circulating supply with the current price. It includes unlocked tokens. If unlocked token data is unavailable, non-publicly accessible to coins are excluded. Okay, fully diluted market cap. The total market cap, the total market capitalization of all coins that are in circulation. Saturated by multiplying, it is calculated by multiplying the asset supply with the current price. Bakunyonyola wano. Bakunyonyola what is the rank? A coin is ranked according to its market cap. So you have seen its market cap is 1.1 billion. How do we get the market cap? We get the market cap by calculating the saturating supply with the current price. Tutunulira coins eziri mu circular izonna, it is multiplying with its current price. That's why market cap can change. You understand? The market cap changes according to the price because we get the circulating supply. But don't get circulating supply. Coins eziri mu supply izonna. Wezibanga coins, for example, KGO is 1 billion. Naye webanga mu circulation tuinamu 10 million. That is 10 million times its price. That is the market cap. Okay. Mr. Mato, help me unmute everyone. Mr. Mato, help me unmute everyone if you are here. Help me unmute everyone. Help me unmute everyone. Thank you. Have you muted me also? No. Okay. Thank you. The fully diluted market cap. Fully diluted market cap to Gifuna tuta. The total market capitalization of all tokens that are in circulation. They are calculated by multiplying the asset supply with its current supply. That is the fully diluted market cap. Fully diluted market cap tugamba singa coin zizo zona ziba ziweddeyo ze bakola. Senga kasongo yona aweddeyo 1 billion yona ngeri mu circulation eba mu sente meka kituyita fully diluted market cap. Ate bwe twogera ku market cap tegeeza eziri mu circulation ziri mu sente meka ye market cap. Then rank tugambye tuji base bajiwa rank it is Immutable is ranked 83 because of its number, because of its market capitalization according to all tokens in the world or in the crypto space. Then we talk about the market dominance. It tracks the asset is total market cap relative to the total market cap of all assets. So talking about dominance, market dominance, what together? At which percentage does this coin carry in the space? Your coin is carrying how much percentage? But tubanga the market cap yayo enough percentage compared to the total market cap of all tokens. You understand? That is the market dominance. Mute, please, mute. Thank you. Market dominance. Ateka tuwemuja mzino lessons. You give yourself time. That's why I could read the radio or some crypto or limba. Because sometimes you need to take some notes. Kati omuntu omugezi kala katusenga akakubye da screenshot. Wano wetuli coin information. Wano senga akakubye da screenshot. Volume. It is a measure of how much a cryptocurrency was traded across centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges in the last 24 hours. The data is sourced from the CMC. CMC is a short form of the coin market cap. Simple. The coin market cap, volume per market cap, indicator of liquidity. The higher the ratio, the more liquid the cryptocurrency is. Volume is based on how much of a cryptocurrency was traded across the centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges in the last 24 hours. Then you have the saturating supply. Binance's saturating supply is calculated by using the total supply minus the locked tokens. If the token unlocked data is not available, the circulating supply will be referenced from the coin market cap. You understand? Now, when they bring a token, when a token is brought onto market, when a token is brought into market, say a coin wagikola. Coin yeno eyina kye tuyita locked liquidity. Locked liquidity ne unlocked liquidity. Locked and unlocked. Okay? Unlocked. Ye saturating supply ebera yokobo budde. Okay? Coins zeziri mu saturation. Zezibera unlocked tokens. Kati wabera coins eziri locked. Kye tuyita locked liquidity. Kati nga kegi oteina locked liquidity. Locked liquidity awanyo aba investors confidence. Nti coin oline wajiraga poolinga eberamu ne liquidity asigalamu. That's why jiraga poolinga chenda. You knew what happened to OM. It had no locked liquidity. Nti bwebanga coin webata ina locked liquidity abantu sobola jugula fene tujefunza fenga we tuba twagadde kutunda tujitunda mulundi gumunegwa ne tujisuula. Obanga ebata ina locked liquidity. Kitwale ntinno wagula coin yo wagikola n'ogiteekako security. N'ogamba coin yene ina 1 billion tokens. Mukubera ne 1 billion tokens, the 700 are mine. Coin ne bwebe egudde ta this 700 ejja kusigalamu to protect the value of the asset. Kye tuyita locked liquidity. Okitegeera? Locked liquidity abeeramu awa abantu essuubi okuinvestinga mu cryptocurrency eyo. So tutunulidde circulating supply tujogeddeko. A maximum supply, amount of coins that will ever exist in the lifetime of the asset. Nti kasonga ejja kubeera na 1 billion forever, that is its maximum supply. If all the kasongos are put into market, its maximum supply will be 1 billion. No more tokens. That is maximum supply. Kati ebiseera ebisinga, this one even goes when we are holding. But what to holding? We need the tokens that have maximum supply. Maximum supply. Nti yo yagwayo. Yona yagwayo. Budget circulation. tewakyaliyo coins tewali token unlock nino bajja kudamba unlocking like XRP has affected me so much holding at 2 point something dollars. Is it 2.3? Then after there was an unlock, more tokens were brought. Ka token is no was bringing. For example, Kitwale, let me take an example. Kitwale ntino buli coin ebadde ya $1. Buli coin ebadde wa $1. The market is still the same. Kati tubadde ne coins 10 nga ziri mu katale nga buli coin ya $1. Those are $100. Kati ne bongeramu coins endala 10. Kitegeeza ne zifuuka 2. Kino kigenda ku affecting price yazo ebadde ku $1 egende ku $0.5. Okitegeera baba bajunguludde buli bakola token unlock baba bajunguludde baba bayongedde coins mu circulation ziba zifuuse nnyingi je zifuukire nnyingi zigenda kubeera za layisi zigenda kuba za layisi nga ziri cheap ate wezibeera cheap gwe ya holding jukira goba wagulira wansi otundire waggulu tunde ku bbeeyi ennene ate zo ziri cheap kitegeeza tizigenda kufevalinga. So bwe tubanga tuholding nga tunoonya coin nga ina maximum supply nga yaggwayo tewali sima yange ennaku z'omwezi budget bajja kukola unlock ennaku z'omwezi budget era bajja kuunlockinga ennaku z'omwezi budget. No, tebeera good coin for holding. That's why tebeera good coin for holding. That's why XRP yankwata nange nenjinyiigira okitegeera yankwata nti nagigula ku 3.5 najigula around ku 2.5. Was it 2.5 2.3 2.5 najigula ku 2.5 XRP. So 2.5 negwa wansi up to 1 point something. Lwaki teina maximum supply. Then total supply of an asset, amount of coins that have been created minus any coins that have been banned. Okubanninga token, for example, okubanninga token nawirako ntino ya banninga tokens. Banning tokens, what does it help? How does it help? How does banning help? Nti tubadde ne coins 10, token 10. Token buli token wano nga ya 0.2 nga ebbeeyi yaayo. Zino tokens nyingi ne tugamba no katubanningeko 500. Let's ban 500 of them. Banning them meaning we are reducing this amount. Ezibadde 10 tuli mu kuzitoolako zisobole okubeera entono. In other words, unlocking and banning, they are opposites. When they unlock, they bring more tokens in the market. And when they ban the tokens, when they ban them, they reduce supply. By reducing a supply, when they reduce supply, they increase price. Bebe yeyongera oba mubitegeera. Give me one oba obitegedde. Give me one oba obitegedde. Just give me one oba obitegedde. I think we all understand Uganda. But we banninga tokens bazi reducing mu amount. Kitegeeza kigenda kuletera price yazo okulinnya senga bazibanninga. Wabula senga bazi unlockinga zigenda kweyongera obungi. Kitegeeza zigenda competing for price. The demand will be low. So when they unlock tokens, the demand becomes low because the supply is high. And when they ban tokens, the demand becomes high because the supply is small. As simple as that. Let's continue. Now, total supply, circulating supply, platform concentration. A measure of how concentrated the token is on Binance. It ranges from 0 to 100, where a higher concentration indicates fewer participants tend to dominate the market, and relatively large share of the token circulating supply is being traded. No, explanatory. Issue date, the date on which this asset was first issued. The issue price, the price at which this asset was first issued. All-time high, the highest price the asset has reached during its trading history. All-time low, the lowest price the asset has reached during its trading history. Kasubira okubya screenshot ogenda kuddayo osome ku bintu bino. Bw'atakubya screenshot ojja kujja just okwate mu coin, okwate wano mu coin information. Bajja kubanga babikuleetera. Then bye bino. So what if the full market cap yeyo, market dominance yeno, it dominates 0.0299% of the total market cap. It has a volume of 52.4 million. It has a market, its market cap, its ratio of volume to market cap is 4.42. The circulating supply is 1.9 billion. Maximum supply 2 billion. It means if the maximum supply is 2 billion and the circulating supply is 1.9 billion, most of the coins of immutable X are in circulation, because the total is 2 billion and the circulation is 1 point. It means it has a 0.1 billion, which is not which is not yet here. You understand? So maximum supply 2 billion. Total supply 2 billion. So its maximum supply and total supply are the same. You understand? They are the same. The maximum supply and total supply. Kitegeza, immutable X in a maximum supply of 2 billion. Platform concentration, how it is concentrated. Platform concentration, it depends on how on an exchange, how people are trading this coin. Then the issue date, when did this coin come into existence? 5th November 2021. With the issuing price of 0.15. Okay, 0.15. With the all-time high of $9. We need to go back. So that is it. So Osobola, this is it. It has an official website. It has a white paper. It has a block explorer. Immutable X has a official website. You can tap on the official website. No gain and all about how what about it. What it is all about. Immutable Play, your hub for Web3 gaming. So this is Immutable Exit. So again, I love so much the Block Explorer, because what is the meaning of the Block Explorer and how is it important? We are going elsewhere, but it is okay. So when you look at its Block Explorer, it is verification successful. Etherscan. When you say a coin on Etherscan, it means this coin is on the Ethereum blockchain. Etherscan, Etherscan. So just know that this coin was built on the Ethereum blockchain. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum blockchain, that is ECR20. It is a DeFi. That's good. It has a maximum supply. It is given. It has 96,000 holders. So it is a good coin. A coin in Unjo Kujesiga. 96,000. Okay, 96,000. So you can see even the transactions that are going on with this coin, people that are buying it, people are selling it, people are buying it, people are selling it. All the transactions are here on the Block Explorer. Okay, no, cancel. So that is the Block Explorer. So that is the Block Explorer Ethereum. It is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can see the official website. You can tap on the white paper. The white paper will always give you, take me back the homepage. So when tap on the block and what? Immutable Play, view articles, Immutable X access, view articles, contact. So you can go ahead and learn about its what? It's white paper and all that sort. Now, kino kye tukoze bakiyita kiti, kino kye tukoze tukiyita, these are fundamentals. What this coin is all about. What is this coin is all about? That is information. Kati wano mba amaze okutegeera nti no coin eno eri ku 100 market cap, eri ku market cap bweti, erina number bweti, erina volume bweti, etabadde etambula bweti. Sinagikola analysis yenna. But ngitunulira butunulizi. Then after I can look at the trading data, how it is being traded. When you look at its trading data, they will give you the money flow chart. This is the money flow chart. The money flow chart will always help me to find whether the coin is having a buying volume or a selling volume in the last 24 hours or 5 days. Now, this is money flow analysis. Most of the time, we use the 1 day time frame. When you use the line, we'll cause 1 day time frame. This is trading the data. Now I can use this chart to track liquidity, because we trade liquidity. Maybe njogera babitegeera. Webali? Are you here?
Kwetri, Madam Prosi.
Okay. Cutting. So tracking the liquidity of this coin. So when I look at immutable X and I want to trade it, let me take it in one day. Take it in one day. The buying pressure. So this one, so this indicates, sorry. This one indicates large volume, large buying volume. This indicates medium. This indicates small, and it's here is the total. This indicates high volume, large volume. This indicates medium volume. This indicates small volume, and here is the total. The inflow is in negative. So if I want to trade immutable X, I will not tamper. Reason being, it's going down. Now, this is immutable X in 5 days. Sorry, let me change the color. This is 5X in 5 days. Immutable X in 5 days. And each day of the 5 days, each day is serving 24 hours. And this is how money has been flowing in and out of immutable X. On the first day, negative 210. On this day, sorry, can't you scroll? On this day, sorry. On this day, it is negative. Negative 1.01 million. On this day, negative 230. On this day, negative 220. On this day, negative 340. All these ones, they are in red. Selling pressure. Selling pressure. That's one the time frame. Katika nkubuze. Should we trade immutable X in long position? Should we go long on immutable X according to what we see here? No. Should we trade immutable X? Give me answers in the chat. Should we trade immutable X?
Definitely no.
No. If it is a spot, no. It is a very big no. Reason being negative.
Only negative.
Selling pressure. And when you go into the 24 money flow immutable X chart, you can see that the chart is extremely going down. You understand?
Yes.
And you can see this is our last candle of one day. Eno yebulayo. Eno tenagwayo. This is the 5th day tenagwayo. These are the recent 4 days. Eno yedde yetuliko. Era ekutereddemu this mark. Eno tutegeza it is still going on. So for us to trade immutable X on spot market, tuba tuwezika because the market is going down. Yes. Kati. Sinabagenda ku trading view call analysis. But already trading data amaze okundaga. Nti immutable X wembanga ndiwa kujironginga. Teriwo. You understand? Then, kati nga nkoma ku trading view. Nkoma ku trading view. When I want to trading view, before I do anything, I will tap on immutable X and I tap on the section of news. I will tap on immutable X, sorry. I will tap on immutable X. And before even I open the chart, I will tap on news. I want to see what's happening on immutable X. Is there any news? Immutable X, Dante token, digit. Dante token, TGE, July 2025. What is the news about? Immutable X to launch a minting of Landry NFT only on July. Let me tap on the recent news. The launch of Dante token on Immutable is a key moment for this project when a new token goes live for trading. This will be 21st of, this is 21st. This was yesterday, not so? When a new token goes live for trading, there is often a price reaction because holders and traders want to buy or sell quickly. This event also gives rewards to top players, holders, and stakers in the immutable ecosystem. Building excitement while the initial hype may push the price up. If the game and its rewards do well, interest could remain strong long term. For more event details, read the source, the Dante. So ImmutableX has its own blockchain. It has its ecosystem whereby other tokens can be built on. The Dante token was built here 21st of July. So wabera amawulire bwe gatyo ojja kulaba nti nno coin ebeera ekola ki. That was 21st of July. Let's look at the chart and see. Was there any price reaction? Was there any price reaction? Let's look at the daily. Let's look at the daily. Come here. They said 21st. Where is 21st? 21st of July. It was bullish, eh? So let's see whether it was bullish enough to push the price or this high. So this is the candle. Let me remove this first. This is the candle of one day, that day. That was it bullish or bearish? So that is the candle. Now let's see, take it for like 1 hour and you see how it played out. So this was the candle. So it went bullish, eh, on that day. So for example, let me give you an example. Kati lwaki coin ebeera ebulinga singa ecosystem yayo bagenda kubanga bagigulako. Nga for example, yeah, on this day this coin was bullish, eh? From here to here it was bullish. Reason being bali bagenda bazimbirako another token TGE. Bagizimbirako kuno, it's on this ecosystem of the immutable X. Kati kyeki kireeta kino. For example, bwe tubanga eno coin yebogeddeko TGE nga bagizimbira ku blockchain ya immutable X. Jukira nno immutable X webera nga ina blockchain oba ecosystem, kitegeeza bwe balokingirako ene coin on immutable X. For you to buy that coin, you have to buy immutable X first. For example, we twagula Trump, you had to go on the Solana ecosystem, you buy Solana and you swap Solana to Trump. You understand? The day we bought Kasongo, we had to buy try to kugula chi Tony first. Then after buying Tony, we swap this Tony to Kasongo, to Kegio. Kino kireetera ebbeeyi ya Tony okulinnya. Osegera, no kireetera ebbeeyi ya Tony okulinnya. Era during the days Kasongo heated, we twagifuna ne tuwa sente nyingi Kasongo. This Tony went up to $3. Osegera, yalinnya up to $3. Lwaki? It creates demand for this native token on the what? On the ecosystem, because it is about to purchase this. Kati omugezi okola otya? Most of the time, for example, bagenda kulaunching Trump. Baba bagenda kulaunching Trump. Naye Trump bagenda gilaunching ku Solana ecosystem. Bagenda gilaunching ku Solana ecosystem. But this Solana ecosystem, kati gwe kyoba okola, for each person to get Trump, you have to buy Solana first. Kati gwe to trading Trump, gwe jangu ogule Solana. Simple. You buy Solana here. Osegera, bofuna amawulire bwe gati. Gwe togenda neri kweni bagenda okulistinga, gwe jangu ogule immutable X wo, IMX. Gigule. Because all people have to buy this token ba exchange nge bafunemu gye baagala. Okitegeera? Ba exchange bafunemu eri gye baagala. Kati buli we bagula eno egenda kulinnya, gwe targeting eno gwe togenda kwerime mu token. Okitegeera? Kubanga very many people that went for Trump yabayoola ebigere. Okitegeera? So that is it. So kati wano tuba tutunulira amawulire. I saw this coin bullying. It has come back. Let me see it again. So I was in floating loss of bonk for some good time. And yesterday it gave me a lot of money. Don't take away your money from spot to trade futures. Zirekemu. Mu trading fe tukozeemu ensobi nnyingi. Tukoze ensobi nnyingi mu trading. Zesaagala mukole. Okay? Saagala mukole ensobi zimu in trading. So this coin tapped this area. It retraced here. It is still strong. Watch over bonk. Bonk on ebikola. Let me take it to 1 week. Bonk ebikola. Ogiraba, it is strong. It is strong in 1 week. Tekirangako wansi. To which percentage? Tekangako wansi. From here. Bano ba olingirira wano. Akuba nagitrading anenjivaamu, it is a man. 99%. So it has ever tapped here. There you can see. That is that's too much profit. 135, 38%. So this is bonk. Memo tokens tuzitya nnyo because when they decide to dump, okati osoogiraba wano kye yakola. Yava wano, sorry. Olaba kye yakola yava wano nejja wano. Nejja neyitawo we yava. This is the problem with a memo coin. Yayise ewaabwe waayo. Okitegeera? Yava wano negenda wano. Nekoma instead of ogamba nti nno bakale naleka buying pressure and then let me retrace from here and I go up. Yejja neyitawo. That's the problem with them. Teyagala kumanya gweri mwala. You understand? Nejja netapinga just coming back here. So those are meme coins. Another coin I traded was Solana. Okay. Solana is back. It is going down, but it is okay. Another coin was Solana. Solana is a good coin. Trade from 95 to 200. Good. They moved well. So that's trading data. So at this time, let me go to mutable. Mutable X trading. I can even come to the chart and prove according to what I've seen where immutable X is right now. This is immutable X. Sagala kujja mugondi wange. Saga kujja mu immutable X, but let me add it in another exchange. IMX USDT. IMX USDT. Let me bring it for Mekizi. Is it Mekizi? Let me bring it from OKX. This is it from OKX. This is immutable X from OKX. Where is it? Immutable X from OKX. This is it. This is the coin. Now, immutable X, that is 1 week. Kati, let me take it in 1 day. Take it in 1 day. Now this is immutable X. Since the market is bullying, and I look at immutable X, I just look at it at 1 day. So immutable X yagwa okuva eno paka eno wansi. But we have to say wano nebange kola ka double bottom. Double bottom. Ekyazanyira wansi, but once it comes and breaks this point here, we're not breaking one. It will have changed the character. So it will be going up. It is still cheap at 0.6. Because when I buy it at 0.6 and it hits my $2, or it hits $1. If you buy immutable X at 0.6 right now where it is, from $1, you will have made a difference of 0.4 something. And when 0.4, for example, you have 100 tokens and each one makes you 0.4. You have made $40. You have made $40. Now, I'm following immutable X and I'm trading it. And this is what I do. I bring it to 1 week. Yet Immutable X kacyange jakatale bwetu bwefaanana. Immutable X it seems a scam. It is like a scam. How can it tap this point here? Huh? And it comes back here. Wait, this is a real scam. It's one of the scams. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? This is the coin. It has ever gone to $100. We need to go back. Will Immutable X go back to $100? For example, if I have 10 tokens of Immutable X, if I invest $10 in Immutable X, and each coin is at, and each coin has 0.6. 0.6. $10, $10 in 0.6. It will be look at the coin. Now, when I have $10, there is the calculator. $10. And I divide to Immutable X 0.6. I'll have 16 tokens. If I have 16 tokens, and these tokens, if I have 16 tokens of Immutable X, and each coin, maybe it goes to $5. I'll make some good money out of my $10. If it goes to $5, but we reach there. Let's wait for this bull run, because according to how I see this coin, when you look at the overall market trend, it seems a scam, because how can a coin go to 100 and back at 0.6, 0.1? It seems a scam. So Immutable X, this is the coin. Look at it. So naming up points, and even if so I can say this is my supply. So I can say this is my demand zone. Twakuba demand zone watu abatazitegera twagamba market gyekomye eno. Just get two candles, one is bigger than the other. 3 times bigger. So nogikwata wano nokola bwoti. So that one becomes your demand zone. You can make it bigger. That one becomes our demand zone. You put it around there. You can even change its color, but you can leave it like that. That's our demand zone. And you can go up here and find the supply zone. Tap on the pencil, bring the rectangle, and go to supply zone 1. So combining the fundamentals and technicals. So this is my supply zone. That's supply zone. Within the middle, coining a killer yagenda ngereka areas of resistance and support. So this is a support. This was one of them. So I come here, this is another one of them. I come here, this is another one. I come here, this is another one. This is another one also. Sorry. I can draw there. I can draw here. I can draw there. And draw around that area. Cutting. If I'm to hold Immutable X, those ones maybe might take a profit. But it will take me time. Over. So trading Immutable X, because once it breaks here, it will have changed the character, but it has not changed the character yet. Let me bring the indicator. So SI, so it come out once. It's coming down. So as it is coming down, that is 1 day. It is coming down. I can go in 4 hours and see how it is behaving. So in the 4 hours, it is already in the overbought. It is coming back down here. So when I look at this coin, it has already changed the character in the 4 hour. Very much changing a character because tugira wange breaking the structure zino zonna. Wano eyise wano. So market is uptrend. Market is uptrend, but remember until go trading mu lower time frame. Wetunaddako tujja kulaba time frames tuzicombining ne technicals zino. Ne indicators zino. So market run no retracing akoma once. But all in all, kati eno tugita swing trading, you can swing on it. Kati ogirinda nekola retracement, you wait for it to come back here. I can determine the retracement nga nkozesa Fibonacci eno mugisoma nnyo. So kuba Fibonacci, just look at the leg that broke structure. So this leg broke structure. So I'll just come here and I tap here. I tap here and I take it there. All right. Then after taking it there, these are my areas of interest. So it can retrace at 23, it can retrace at 38, it can retrace at 50, it can retrace at 61, it can retrace at 78, it can retrace to at 100 and beyond. Now I will just wait for the most probable area is this golden area of 61.8. So I can decide to take profit there. But overall trend is an upward trend. So when you see the market is just retracing. So within the retracement, I can extend to the 4 hours and see what is happening. So in the 4 hours, the market is coming down really. It's coming down. And let's take it to 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour. We take it to 1 hour, the market is like this. And it is showing you that it is in the oversold area. So just bring in confirmation and you determine your entry. But the overall trend is an uptrend. And we said, don't trade against that trend. Don't trade against the what? Don't trade against that trend. So you can even extend the 15 minutes and see what is happening. So the overall trend is an upward trend of this coin. I don't expect to trade it at what? To trade it when it's going down or to short it. So wait for it to come here. And this golden cross should confirm a golden cross. Then you make an entry on this coin. However, it has not yet happened. You may wait for these areas. You may wait for these areas to do what? You may wait for these areas that have been drawn here to confirm your entry. Because now it is just retracing. Unless you have any question to ask, allow me to stop here. Unless you have any question to ask, clarify. What should I clarify on? Yusuf Kailu, you said clarify. You see, when you come on the what? When you come on Google Meet, make sure on Zoom, make sure you turn off your video. You turn off your what? Your video. Do it for yourself because most people are still in bed, especially this morning class. Most people are still in bed. Now, this is the problem most people do. When you find the class now, most of the time we are in 30, now we are in 19. When the market challenges, you just know that it is time to learn. Don't quit the class because you make more mistakes. When the trading discipline is you, please give it time. Namalako nemyezi ebiri nga trading when I started trading. Namalako emyezi ebiri nga trading. Lwaki? The market tortured me. Namala emyezi ebiri nga I don't trade. But I learn every day. It was learning time. So buli woberanga akatale kaku discipline, it is learning time. It is time to learn. It's not time to learn because when you run away, you will not learn. And you need to make money. So Well, since you need to make money, you go back to the market, it disciplines you again. So give you your time to learn. Make sure your backbone of trading is sport. Sport is the backbone of trading. Unless you have any question, I'll stop here. Do you have any question? If you have any question, raise up the arm, or you can put it in the chat. So that is it. Fundamental analysis. Combining the technical analysis. And you see when to enter the market and when not. Tell me if you have any question.
Yes, Madam President, in nature was
Mbuza.
I've trading a coin na ye not a demo first buying amount na ye that time was 2 chiva kuchimo royoku
Negative time was 2.
Yeah, nete come first buying amount time was 2.
You turned off the other button of that button is called what? Open position doubled.
Open position doubled.
When you turn it on, it multiplies the first amount by 2. Okay, the opening position times 2.
Okay.
If you have small capital, don't turn that button on. If you have bigger capital and you need to enter with a bigger first buying amount, you do that.
Okay.
Especially when you see you've seen the Bolavanga, the signal is sure. It will deliver. You can double the first buying amount such that it enters with a rate of money and you make some profits.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's have questions, please. Ask me. Ask me or react. Somebody said clarify, but has failed to say something. On your Google Meet, there is this microphone. Tap on it, it will open. Tap on it, it will open. It closes. So open your microphone and say something. You have only 2 minutes to go from here. Are we done? Allow me to stop here if there are no questions. Those that need binding, and if trade setting is disturbing you, will see me today. I'm free. Yes, bye-bye.